Hayfeeder Safety Guide. Making good choices makes all the difference. Why are hay feeders important? Hay feeders play an important role in both horse health and barn management. Feeding hay directly on the ground often leads to significant waste and increased contamination. Choosing the right feeder helps improve efficiency, reduce costs, and support safer feeding practices. A good hay feeder should have smooth edges, safe spacing between bars that prevents head or hoof entrapment, holes in the bottom for drainage, sturdy and durable construction, a base that prevents mixing hay in muck or dirt. Feeding considerations. Provide enough feeders so every horse has a safe space to eat. Have extra spaces so that if a horse gets chased away, they have another place to eat. Why feeder safety matters. Too many horses are injured each year in feeder-related accidents. Choosing the right feeder for your horse can make a life-changing difference. Hay waste. When hay is fed directly on the ground, a large portion is wasted. Horses step on it, lay on it, and urinate or defecate on it. 50% or more of hay can be lost this way. With today's high hay prices, this can represent a significant financial loss. Sand colic risk. Horses eating directly from sandy or muddy ground often ingest sand while feeding. Sand accumulation in the digestive system can lead to sand colic, which is one of the most serious types of colic. It's very difficult to treat and is sometimes fatal. Parasite risk. When hay is fed directly on the ground, horses are more likely to ingest parasite eggs, bacteria, and contaminated forage. Ground feeding increases horses' exposure to parasites, bacteria, and contaminated hay, potentially leading to worm burdens, digestive issues, weight loss, colic, and respiratory problems. To help horse owners make safer choices, we reviewed some of the most commonly used hay feeders and identified the safest and riskiest features of each design. How we rate each feeder. Each feeder in this video is evaluated using 5 key categories: construction, entrapment risk, hay waste, injury risk, and contamination risk. They are rated either pass or fail. We also include a convenience factor score out of 3 based on ease of use. Construction. Construction refers to the overall build quality and durability of the feeder. We consider strength of materials, stability and structure, resistance to damage, quality of design, suitability for outdoor use. Entrapment risk. Entrapment risk looks at whether parts of the feeder could trap a horse. We consider hoof or leg access points, head or neck openings, bar and gap spacing, potential for halter catching, whole body access areas. Hay waste. Hay waste evaluates how effectively the feeder keeps hay contained. We consider hay falling onto the ground, protection from trampling, protection from weather, feeding efficiency, amount of lost forage. Injury risk. Injury risk focuses on design features that could cause physical harm. We consider sharp edges or corners, protruding components, bolts, supports, hard impact surfaces, low roof lines or overhead hazards, rough or damaged materials. Contamination risk. Contamination risk evaluates how easily hay may come into contact with dirt or waste. We consider hay contact with mud or sand, exposure to manure or urine, parasite exposure, hygiene of feeding area, ability to keep hay clean. Convenience factor. Each feeder is also given a convenience score out of 3. We consider ease of filling, ease of moving, and ease of cleaning. 3 stars means it's very easy to manage. 2 stars means it's moderate effort. 1 star means it's more difficult to manage. Important note, in this video, we're sharing our safety-based opinions on common hay feeders. Every horse and setup is different, so always assess what works best for your own herd. Feeder accidents are preventable with the right knowledge, feeder, and setup. Don't wait for a close call. Assess your setup now and make your equine's safety the priority.